Hello learners. Uh, Today I am going to discuss about the pin diagram of Atmega 32. So if you see that in the pin diagram, there are 40 pins are there. So in these 40 pins, starting with uh, PB0 and up to number 40 pin is PA0. So what is the use of this pin and what is the purpose of this pin? I am going to discuss it in the next slide. So first of all, the pin 1 to 8, this is called port B pin. It is used as a digital input output, also SPI, that means serial peripheral interface, and also timers. So digital input output means if I want to give any data into this microcontroller, if I want to give data in the microcontroller, I can use this pin, or also I can able to take any data from the microcontroller. Also I can able to use this pin. Next is the SPI. SPI means serial peripheral interface. So if I want to interface the microcontroller with any other devices, in that time also I can able to use these pins. And timers, I think so in my previous sessions I already discussed about the many things about the timer, so I am not going details of the timers. So the same thing, the same purpose, also the timer is there in this Atmega microcontroller also. Next, pin number 9, it is called reset pin. So that means if I want to reset the microcontroller is in any time during my program, in that time I can able to use this pin. Next pin is there, so it is number 10 and 30. It is also a VCC or AVCC. It can use as a power supply uh, for digital input output. You know that Atmega is a device, so one power supply is needed. For this reason, this power supply is provided, and also one embedded ADC, that means analog to digital converter, is there in this Atmega microcontroller. So we can use this pin. Okay, so this is nothing but a power supply. Next, the pin number 11 and 31, both pin use as a ground. We know that, so every electronic IC ground pins are needed. So these two pins are used as a ground. Next, pin number 12 to 13, these are the these pins are used for oscillator, or you can say the crystal input output, crystal oscillator input output. So when I give for any clock signal, I needed these pins to give the clock signal. So same like the 8086 microprocessor, 8051 microcontroller, these oscillators are needed. This is for uh, input if I want to give the input clock, also if I want to get the clock signal. So we can able to use. So pin number 12 to 13 is used as a oscillator, or you can say the crystal input output pin. Next, 14 to 21, it is called port D. Same thing, digital input output is needed when we can use this pin 14 to 21. Next, the uses UART. UART means Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, receiver and transmitter. Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. So, what is this? So, if I want to receive any signal or if I want to transmit any signal, one universal, some algorithms are there, some laws are there. Uh, this thing is maintained by almost all type of protocol. It is maintained by the all devices. It is nothing but a one universal protocols. So we can use this types of protocols through this pin. So for this reason, it is called UART. Next, external interrupts. If I want to give any interrupts during my work, we can also use this pin 14 to 21. So it is called port D pin. Next is called port or pin 22 to 29. It is called port C pin. It is also used as a digital input output. So this is the one thing. Another thing is called JTAG. So what is JTAG? So JTAG stands for Joint Test Action Group. It's a standardized interface used for debugging and testing electronic circuits, particularly in embedded system. So if I want to test my IC, if I want to test the circuit, it is okay or not. In that time, through this port, I can give the instruction, or I can debug my device. I can standardize the device. So it is a one type of, you can say, universal standardized interface, and it is used in this Atmega microcontroller. Next, pin 33 to 40, it is called port A pin. This pin is used as a analog inputs. We can give analog data or analog inputs in this pin, or digital input out. Both purpose we can able to use. So at last, the pin number 32, it is called AREF. It is nothing but a, I told you previously, one embedded ADC is there into this IC Atmega. So for ADC, you know that one reference voltage is needed. So this reference voltage provided by this pin. So now I am ends this session for Atmega. In next session, I will discuss about the other part of this microcontroller.